Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is the next video of this playlist. In this video we will see how we can implement a CSS in our project. So currently on the screen you have like we were here on the previous page. So first what I will do, I will remove everything from here. Okay, and I will do and if I go back to my page and if I reload it, I will not get anything. Okay, and if I go here to my global CSS file and if I remove everything from here also, I will get a complete white page. Okay, if I refresh currently you can see we have completely a white page. So first now what I will do, I will create one tag with the name like one h1. Okay, h1 basically for heading. I will say testing. Okay, and if I come here and currently we have got this testing. Okay, so now we will see how we can implement the CSS. Okay, so we will come to here global.css. so what I will do, I will here do h1 and I will say means this is global CSS, means whatever h1 tag are there in our project, it will apply to all the files. Okay, so I will say here color will be red. Okay, so if I come here, so our color will be the red. If I refresh it, okay, currently you can see our color is red. Okay, so this is a global file, no matters whether you are using classes, you are using anything. Okay, so the color is red. Okay, so this is what first way we can use global CSS. Now next we will come here, I'll remove this whole. So what I will do, I will provide here class. Okay, so now how we will provide here class name. So I will say here class name is equals to, and I will currently you have week. You can see here on the left side we have page.module.css. We don't have inside in this file anything. So I have imported this import styles from /pages.module.css. So this is how we import CSS in our project. So what I will say here, I will say here styles dot and the name of a class whatever we want to give. Like I will say here mm, testing heading. Okay, I will say testing heading. I will copy this and I will come to my page .module.css. I will keep my class name and I will type here enter. Okay, now what I will do, I will say here color will be my okay, aqua. Okay, so if I go to my browser and currently you can see we have an aqua. Okay, so this is what we are styling. Okay, now so this is done. So if you want to use like tailwind CSS and anything else, you can it is advanced thing, not for beginner friendly. Currently you are on a learning phase, so you need to learn from starting point. Okay, so this is what the starting point. You can implement the CSS in your uh, page.module.css. so remember this page.module.css will only be called here. Okay, if you are not calling this will this CSS will not implemented in your any of the file or any of the project. Okay, so import is necessary if you are not using global file. Okay, so that's all guys in this video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.